This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Like I say, I keep saying this over and over again, but I don't know how much space I have left. But, oh, here comes Charlie. Oh, my little baby. How happy I am to see you. Hey, Charlie. Hey, good boy. Look what we got here. Look. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Charlie. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Yeah, is that my good boy? Is that my good boy? Yeah. That's my good boy. That's my good boy. Yeah. That's my good boy. Huh? Is that my good boy? Is that my good boy? Yeah. Uh-oh. Seagulls are coming. The seagulls are coming. The seagulls are coming. Charlie, the seagulls are coming. Yeah. Better take something. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. That's my good boy. That's my good boy. Yeah. That's my good boy. That's my good boy, huh? Want some sausage? Want some sausage? Yeah, good boy. Good. Okay. All right. Here it comes. Comes the onslaught. We'll just see who's gonna stop today. We're gonna see who stops today. Yeah. We'll see. There's my little seagulls. Charlie came down. That's amazing. Yeah, look at this. Look at this huge bunch of seagulls. Wow. I'm impressed. Looks like it's about 40 of them. It's not the normal crate we have. Unbelievable. Too many birds for 20,000 people in this city. Yeah. Unbelievable. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Right? Let's see what we got here. Come on, people. Come up to me. You Mesodrexals. What are the Hayfully people doing over there? Being stupid as usual? Yeah. Being stupid as usual. Okay. Freaking bus. Here we go. Here you go, guys. Enjoy. Hear that, YouTubers? The sound, music to my ears. Okay? Yeah. Oh, we have someone here. We got someone here. Got someone here who wants to pummel me to death. Yeah, we want someone here to pummel me to death. We want someone here to pummel me to death. Like I say. Still, we're in red, but we're still filming. We're still filming. We're still filming. A couple of walnuts. Let's see if we can get his license plate. 118227 TG 118227. 27. Okay. 118, 227. That's how I remember it. Okay. 118, 227. Gotta learn to memorize these license plates. Very important. Okay? Very, very, very important. Let's say very, very important. Put out a little walnuts in German. See the bag right here? Yeah. Actually, come out of California, YouTubers. California walnuts. Best in the world. Well, I think so. Having spent many years in California. So, anyway. Oh, car left. But I got its license plate. Probably wanted to make some stupid video. Report it to the police. Oh, she's feeding the birds. She's verboten. It's forbidden. Forbidden to feed the birds. Forbidden. Forbidden. It's forbidden to feed the birds. Alright? Forbidden. Yeah. Oh. Pigeons and crows and seagulls. Well, they're not birds. They're flying rats. Okay? We don't want them in our town. We don't want them in our city of Kreuzlingen. According to the City Council of Kreuzlingen, what is going on here? That's what I'd like to say. No. Okay? That is what I like to know. Yeah. Hayfley has a lot of dirt in their history when it comes to the birds. Yeah. A lot of dirt. Well, Charlie came down, and that's great. They got food here to eat. It's going to be dark very soon. And, yeah. I don't know what to say about my poor crows. There aren't many. Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, about 33, 35. But there was close to 50. Yes, there was. What's this doofus doing here now? Some kind of doofus doing something he's not supposed to do. I'm not going to talk to him. I'm going to put him on my video if he comes to me, but I'm not going to engage him. So, better not. Don't want him in my video. There goes my little seagulls. So many of them. Boggles the mind. Really. I think I'll just sit in the car for a minute. Well, it's getting dark. I think I'll let them eat now. I still got a little bit of food left, but crows aren't going to get it, but they got other food here. I'm going to go see if I can find a Santa Claus hat for LC. And then I'm headed back to the apartment. I got so much to do. At least Charlie got something. So that's the most important thing. That Charlie got something. So yeah. Charlie came down. Yeah, Charlie must have been really hungry if he came down. Yeah. But they got nuts there. They got peanuts, got some walnuts. Yeah. And they got something. There's always something there for them. A little less traffic than we normally have in the evening, I guess, as we approach Christmas. Yeah, we'll see. At least Charlie got something. Okay, that's a miracle. He got his little Dino, his little fried chicken. And that's it for now, YouTubers. I'm in the car and seeking safety in the village of the damn people here who just want to, well, take me out, looks like. Okay, this is DC Danton on the 20th of December. Tomorrow morning is a big day. I'm moving into the new apartment, and yeah, be really busy. The movers are going to be there at 7:30. Okay, this is DC Danton, over and out, and wish you a good day wherever you are, and a healthy and safe one.